Google offers many sample applications that you can use to learn about various programming techniques. Android Studio makes these available from the welcome screen with a link labeled Import an Android Code Sample. This dialog lets you scroll through and look for interesting techniques that you might want to learn about, or you can search for what you want. So, for example, let's say I wanted to learn about the Work Manager interface. This sample application would teach me how to use it. From here, I could click Next to create the project locally, or I can click this link to browse the project on GitHub. All of these projects are available on GitHub and can be cloned or forked as needed. I'll come back here and I'm going to look for another project, and I'll look for something called Motion. And this sample application will let me explore different ways to do animations and transitions. Notice that this display is a bit of a mess, and that's an issue that might be because I'm in an early preview of the software. But I'll click Next, and then I'll indicate where I want to create my version of the application locally. I'll click Finish, and that creates the local project. It's very likely when you download one of these projects that you'll need to upgrade it to match your version of Android Studio. If that's the case, you'll see this message saying that the Android Gradle plugin is ready to update. Click the link and then click the Update button, and that will update the version of the plugin that's used in this project to the version of Android Studio that you're using. And that's a very important step. You should also look at the Gradle build scripts. In particular, the Gradle build script for the project, as opposed to the one for the application module, might need an upgrade to the Kotlin version if you're using Kotlin. I'll move my cursor over this error indicator and it tells me that the Kotlin version that's used for building the application is different than the one in my version of Android Studio. My version of Studio is using 1.3.61, so I'll change the version right here and click Sync Now, and then that error goes away. And now I could run the application. Or I could explore the code. I'll go to the Java directory and open this package, and now I can open any of these files and learn how to use this particular programming technique from the code that Google provides.